Hello everyone. Let's take a look at a couple of trades I took in gold. So the symbol is GC, and this was done in Tuesday, December 31st, 2021. So if you see, we do have in the left side of the chart or the screen, we do have a chart for the 30 minutes. We were, heading higher. All the moving averages were stacking to the upside before the market opened, and then right after it went down and then crossed the moving averages to the downside. So let's take a look at a little bit this price action in the 30 minutes. So we were actually in a downtrend in here, so transitioning from this high here all the way down, and then there was it was making a change of direction, went into the cloud, stayed there for a little bit, and then tried to break, and then moved to the upside, and then broke down. So let's see what we did here. I do have some trades here in the day before, but let's look at the ones that are done on the 21st. So let me move back here. So this is the first trade right here for $300. We were in this area. The market has moved already, or gold has moved already out of this at 260 at 3 a.m. was breaking and then moving up and then consolidating here, touched the cloud, and then did a week out of the cloud there. So out of this box here, I saw that there was a significant pivot high, and then that also is, if you see the left side of the screen, you see that this one is also a pivot high, very well defined right there. So I took this trade, breaking out of this pivot high, and then this one was good for $300. So first target was 100, and the second target. So you see here, that's the price right there. So it's 1800.3, and I entered it at 1799.3. So that one is $100. The second one went up there and then gave me another. It touched actually the high for another $200. So it's 100 on the first one and 200 on the second one. Touch it and then reverse. So that is $300 on the first entry. The second one was here. It was only good for $180. So the $100, so it broke here out of this down pivot. So this one is another reversal. So you see here that it's coming up, down, making a lower high right there, and then broke this support right here, and I entered it one tick below that this pivot low. So that one there went to this price right here at 1796.7. It gave me the first $100, and then it started to reverse. So when I saw this reversal right there, I took the second lot off for $80 profit. So from here to right there actually. So the second one was sold right there. So $180 there. So if we keep moving here is this one was a mistake. If you see in the left side, it went already way down, and I took the entry right there. So it was actually a mistake. and this one was a loss. So I took it right there, thinking that this one was going to continue moving down, which was a really bad assumption because, the market has moved already from that pivot high all the way down to that pivot low. Even though it is in a bearish momentum and in a bearish mood, the bias was to the downside, but then it started to move up because it was already overextended. So actually, a really really big mistake, and I took this entry right here, and then immediately the market went back. I recognize $200 loss in there. Probably was a little bit less, but that is what I marked on this one. So that one is $200. I don't have it marked. Let me do that right away. And so this one is minus 200. Okay. And then the market started to move sideways. I recognize this, and then I was you could expect that the market was going to continue moving down, but I was not expecting doing anything. So it was also moving in this direction after hours. So lunchtime didn't do anything, and then in the afternoon it didn't do anything either. So that was the trades we have. So total on that on gold for the 21st of December, Tuesday again, is $280, and that's the trade. Thank you for watching.